Hey guys, it's Nigeria. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we are going to be doing an anti-Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. So, you know, Valentine's Day is around the corner. I'm assuming no one's really doing anything. Even if you do have a significant other, you're probably not really doing much because you can't really go out. You can't really, like, I mean, I think you might be able to go to restaurants, but like, you shouldn't. So us single people are miserable. No, I'm just kidding. But because Valentine's Day, I mean, you can make Valentine's Day fun if you are by yourself or whatever, but today we're going to be doing an anti-Valentine's Day just because, you know what, I'm single, maybe a little bit bitter. So yeah, we're going to be doing that today. But also I will probably do a few other Valentine's Day tutorials. So just because I'm hitting on it right now doesn't mean I won't, because you listen, I love me some pink, okay? So I'm gonna do probably a Valentine's Day tutorial, but right now we're gonna be bitter about it and do an anti-Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. So if you guys want to see that, then just keep on watching. Okay, I already did my eyebrows off camera, so yeah, now let's just get into eyeshadow and all that good stuff. I think I'm going to do, I drew like a little, I mean, I didn't draw the face chart in particular, but I drew up a little makeup of how I want it to be, like a little face chart thingy mabob. So basically I think I kind of want to do like a black smoky eye kind of, but it's going to be like blended out with pink, if that makes sense. So yeah, and then I think I want to do like black lipstick, maybe a little broken heart on my cheek, you know what I mean? So like, we being extra today. So I think I'm gonna start off by taking the Makeup Revolution Alexis Stone palette and going in with the second pink in the whole pink row, and I'm gonna just stamp that into the crease. And like I said, it's gonna start out pink. So if you're like, what's anti-Valentine's Day about this, we're gonna blend out this pink into a black smoky eye. You know what I mean? It's anti-Valentine's Day, but you still want a little bit of Valentine's Day in it, if that makes sense. Now I'm taking the Morphe M441 and I'm taking the first pink in that row, and I'm just blending out this pink with that. I do so many like get ready with me's and recreations and stuff like that. I be forgetting that in tutorials you have to explain what you're doing. Now I'm gonna take the second pink again and put that into the crease and blend that out. I know it kind of seems like weird to stamp that color down and then blend out with lighter color and then put it back down. It's just like to re-intensify it kind of. I'm basically just gonna take each pink from that row from like lightest to darkest and just keep building it up and blending it out basically until it's like how we want it. And then we're gonna start incorporating some black in there. Okay, it's looking very pink. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the last pink and we're going to dip that and then dip it like 2 times into the black once. Tap that out and then start putting that into the crease and blending it out. Oh, on the Morphe M330 brush. So basically once into the dark pink, twice or 3 times into the black, tap it out and blend it into the crease. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I don't remember the last time I did like a black smoky eye. I think it was like years ago. so I'm excited. Okay, now we're just gonna start incorporating just the black into like the crease and stuff. Look, all my brushes are like in my hand. It looks ridiculous, but when I put them down, then I start losing them and then I can't find them. And I kind of feel like with black, you gotta move kind of quickly. I mean, it could literally just be all in my head, but I feel like if you let it sit for too long, it starts seeping in. That is literally probably all in my head. But if you do have a significant other, what are your plans for Valentine's Day? Because I'm curious to see what people are gonna do. Like, they're gonna go out to dinner anyways, or go out anyways, even though you shouldn't. But just comment down below what you're doing. Even if you don't have a significant other and you have plans with like friends or whatever on Valentine's Day, what are your plans? Because I'm gonna be doing nothing. That's one period. So I'm gonna take the Alyssa Edwards ABH palette and I'm gonna take Beast, which is a black, and I'm gonna start blending that into the crease. Cause the black from the Makeup Revolution I can't even talk. The black from the Makeup Revolution palette is nice, but it's kind of like a toned down black, if that makes sense. And it could just be because it's in a colorful palette, so sometimes all the colors like come on top of it and mix and all that stuff. I just want like a black, if that makes sense. Cute. Okay, then I'm also gonna take Texas Made and just blend that out. I'm gonna take a big flat brush and I'm gonna take Beast. I'm gonna stamp it onto my lid. And I'm gonna take the Morphe M330 brush again and just start blending that out, because I kind of put it down in the shape that I wanted it, because I wanted it a little bit higher than just the crease, as you can see. So I'm just gonna put that down and then start blending it out again. Okay, now I'm gonna take the Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Liner in the shade Black is Black, and I'm gonna just line my lash line just for like to conceal lashes and kind of just to like make that darker or whatever. I just do this sometimes just to conceal lashes. I mean, it's literally black eyeshadow, but just in case. Okay, so I just went off camera and did my foundation, which looks great. IMO. So now let's do now let's do my under eyes. So I'm gonna take the M506 brush and I'm gonna take the Alyssa Edwards palette and I'm gonna take Texas Made. I don't want to do like a broken heart here, so that's what your girl gonna do. It might take me a little while because I suck at freehand drawing or whatever, so okay. And now we might as well just do my lips before I like go off camera and put on lashes. This is so cute to me. I love this. I haven't done this black smoky eye in so long, and like the pink around it is giving me everything. Okay, so I'm gonna take the NYX liquid suede lipstick in Alien and I'm just gonna line my lips with this. Okay. So I went off camera and put on my lashes. The last thing I think you guys see me do was my lips, and this is how they turned out. I think they're super cute. I love the pink ombre in the middle. I think it's so cute. I think it adds a little bit extra than like it matches the eyes and all that good stuff. So yeah, this is my Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. I thought this was so fun. Like I said, I haven't done a black smoky eye in so long, and just adding that color on top of it just makes it look so good. Like, I just love how it's not just like black or like brown or like gray, you know what I mean, blended. It's like that pink, which is so cute to me. So yeah, I love this. I love everything about this. It just makes me feel so cute. I think my color, like my spirit color, is black. I try to do different things in different colors, but I think the main thing that is supposed to be my color is my spirit color is black. Like, I'm gonna just stop hiding it from myself and just do black smoky eyes and black lipstick for the rest of my life. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. You should watch another video because I don't know, I love having you guys on my channel, be a part of the, I don't even have a like squad name, I don't even know why I'm just talking, but yeah, watch another video, all that good stuff. Recreate this look because it's so cute. Even if you have a significant other, even if you like Valentine's Day, just throw some black in there, you know. Black is a color that you can use for any occasion. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.